Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can update your operating system on your Chromebook, or check to make sure that you're running the latest version of Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So first up, well, check out the Chromebook, which is this one here, the Samsung. All you've got to do is go down to the little bar on the right hand corner, click that, and then you want settings. Hit that, and then on the top left hand corner you'll see the settings tab. You need to click that, and then scroll right down to the bottom to about Chrome operating system, and then you'll see if your Google Chrome operating system needs a update. This one does, so I'm going to hit the restart button. It's already installed, but I've not updated it yet, so I'm going to hit restart. That's how you check to see if your Google Chromebook needs to be updated to the latest version of Chrome. Thanks for watching.